Hey guys, here again for another Zippo unboxing. Okay, so today we got this Zippo. Very nice. It is 151 with Zippo laser etched logo. And you might be wondering which Zippo this is because it doesn't say there. You know? Alright, so let's crack this baby open. Ta-da! Yes, Spectrum. But it's a fingerprint magnet, you know. But whatever, I really don't care because I'm gonna be collecting it anyways. So here's a Spectrum Zippo. It was made 2014 of B. Let me take out the sticker in the back for you. Okay, so I got the sticker off, I mean. You can see it was right there. Some glue. Zippo has a very good sound. Yep. I think this was like a chemical treated Zippo or heat treated Zippo. I have no clue. Sound check. Very nice Zippo. Let's take a look at the insert. Wow, stuck in there. Okay, so this insert was made C of 2014. So that's C of 2014 of this year. No gas. So yeah. Or no fuel, I should say. Or whatever I should say. You should comment and tell me what I should say. Hey, one second. I really need to get a tripod for this thing. So, you know, this is a really nice Zippo. Like, it's like, I really kind of like it. It's awesome finish. I like Zippos that have the logo. Alright, yeah. I like Zippos with the logo on them. So, yeah. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, rate, subscribe. That's about it. Have a good day.